In fourth grade, students are asked to multiply a whole number up to 4 digits by a 1-digit whole number and multiply two 2-digit numbers using strategies based on place value and the properties of operations. So let's look at one of the multiplication strategies, partial products. Let's look at the problem 6 times 19, and we're going to use our rectangular box to help us organize our numbers. We're going to take the number 6 and write it on the outside on the left-hand side of the box. And then I'm going to decompose my 19 to be 10 plus 9. So then I can start multiplying, and I know that 6 groups of 10 gives me the value of 60. I also know that 6 times 9 ones gives me 54. Now all the students have left to do is to take the two partial products and add them together. So we're going to take 60 plus 54, and we get the total of 114. So the product of 6 times 19 is equal to 114. Now let's look at the problem 5 times 27. We're going to still use our rectangular box. We're going to decompose 27 into 20 plus 7. And then I can multiply 5 times 20, and it equals 100. 5 times 7 is 35. Now the student just needs to add the two partial products, 135. So 100 plus 35 equals 135. So the product of 5 times 27 is equal to 135. Now let's look at a 2-digit number times a 2-digit number. We're still going to decompose our two numbers. I'm going to take the 16 and decompose it into 10 and 6. And then I'm going to take the 24 and decompose it into 20 plus 4. This time I'm going to use the language of saying that the 20 is equal to 2 tens to help me solve what the answer is. So if I have 10 groups of 2 tens, I have 20 tens, and 20 tens is equal to 200. Then I have 6 groups of 2 tens, which gives me 12 tens, which has the value of 120. So 10 groups of 4 gives me 40, and 6 groups of 4 gives me 24. Now all the student has left to do is to take the 4 partial products within their box and add them. And this time we're just going to add right straight out of the box. So I have 200 plus 120 gives me 320, and 40 plus 24 gives me 64. So I have 320 plus 64, which is equal to 384. So the product of 24 times 16 is 384.